During the arc welding, the actual heat input is 200 and the current and the voltage are 220 respectively. For a welding cross-sectional area of 2 during arc welding, the actual heat input is 200 joule per mm cube and the current and the voltage are 220. For a weld cross-sectional area of 2 mm square and the heat transfer efficiency of 0.9, the velocity of the welding is. So we have the velocity of the welding term is defined as efficiency into Vi upon heat input into cross-sectional area. Now after putting all the values, efficiency is 0.9, voltage is 20, current is 200 divided by heat input is 200 joule per mm cube into the cross-sectional area is 2 mm square. So on calculating, we will get a velocity of 9 mm per second. So 9 is the correct answer for this question.